Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Monday, May the 16th, 2011. Well, a continuation of the downtrend today. Previous day's trading we had an inside day. Prior to that we had a downtrend in place. Today's candle has made a lower high and a lower low. Quite a bearish candle, a red bodied candle, only a fairly small red body though. So that tells us that the sellers made a smallish amount of net bearish progress on the day between the open and the close, but they did close the market down towards the low. So the sellers have closed this market with very strong control, and they've shown strong commitment to taking this market lower. We have a large shadow on the top of the candle, and that represents downside price rejection from the 1344 area of previous resistance and support. And it shows the buyers losing commitment up around those levels and the sellers taking control of the market. Now we closed down below the 1332 level, which is an area where we previously found resistance and support in a region, and we've closed down below that in a bearish manner, and we're now testing down to around the 1324 level. Now in terms of the second term time frame, we've also had a change of trend to the downside, with the market making a series of lower peaks and lower troughs. So here we have a trough, a peak, a high, we'll start that again. We have a peak, a trough, a lower peak, and a lower trough as we took out that previous trough. So a change of trend to the downside in the second term time frame. Now, if we do breach this 1324 region, then we could see the market trading down to around 1313, and that coincides with the area roughly around the top of the cloud. So we should see strong support coming in around that level. So the 1324 area is very important for the market over the next trading day. As I've said, we could see the market trading down to much lower levels, and then we do have solid support down around the whole number 1300, which is within the cloud. Now in Ichimoku charts terms, we are trading above the cloud, so we have an overall positive bias. The market is, however, negative in the medium-term and fast-term timeframes. We are now trading down below the Kijun-sen, the pink line, which is at this support level at 1332, and trading below the Tenkan-sen, which is just below the 1344 area that was resistance today, and that reinforced that area of resistance where the market found resistance at the Tenkan-sen as well. So bullish in the big picture terms, but bearish in the medium term and fast term time frames. Now the bearishness in the medium term time frame is not terribly bearish. We're only just below that level, but that is a breakout to the downside, which gives us a signal in Ichimoku charts terms, a bearish signal. It did happen above the cloud, however, so it's only a fairly weak signal, but we could see the market testing down to these levels. Now obviously for the next day's trading as well, 1332 will now offer itself as resistance for the market, and certainly up to this region around 1344, but the bears are in control. 1324 is very, very important.